Climate in Dayton. We have basically a 50-50 weather pattern here in Dayton. 50% warmer temperatures, 50% freezing temperatures. So we're right at the verge of the northern climate zones. Manufacturers actually make colors per climate zone that are available for those areas. The municipalities actually require different underlayments and certain install tactics and methods for different climate zones because of the weather patterns that come through that area. Here in the Dayton area, there's a bunch of things, if you're getting a new roof, that you're probably going to hear for the first time if you're not familiar with the products, for underlayments that are required by code by the state of Ohio and most of the municipalities.